Hey look guys, it's me, Adam, and we're gonna be playing Tokyo Character 2. Yeah, we're gonna be picking, which one are you gonna pick on this list? Oh, you want this? Chef Pee-Pee? Oh, yeah. Oh god, there's food on that table. I didn't hear that burp. Look at all this food! Look at all that! 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 foods! Man. Let's okay. Look at this. Just hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, I forgot he can't read. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, guys. Uh-oh, sorry, we'll be right back. We meant to pick this one. Jeez. Alright. Okay. Okay. I was out of breath. Alright. Can she eat this? Nah. Okay. How about this? That was a pretend to throw up for this person. How about this? Alright. We're gonna cook this stupid meal. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, guys. Eat that. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, guys. Yeah, you know what it's gonna be. The monster. Did I sound like a monster right there? Alright. What? Oh my god. Oh. Okay. What? I'll be right back. Alright, man. Okay, we're gonna end the video here. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel. If you did, comment down below. The next video will be the reaction. So please like and subscribe and comment to my channel. See you later. Bye.